So here's my kitchen. It's getting messy, so I thought for this video we would do a quick tidy up. Here I am washing the things from the stove. Now I'm wiping the stove down and I'm gonna put the burners back together again. We had a flat top stove, but the oven stopped working, so then we just got this one off of Marketplace. Here I am snapping all the pieces back into place. I'm filling up the sink to rinse my cloths out when I wipe down the counters. I add a little bit of bleach and dish soap to it. And I'm wiping off the kitchen table. Sweeping the floor. I could probably sweep the floor like 7 times a day, and I still could use a sweep. And I'm wiping up the counter where the blender overflowed and where we make coffee. I was thinking about putting the laminate on the counters like I've seen in some videos, but I haven't got around to that yet. I have superpowers. Look how fast I can go. And we're loading the dishwasher here. This is something that could also be done 7 times a day, and it feels like there would still be dirty dishes. There's 5 of us in the house using dishes, and I just had a new baby, so I haven't been able to keep up like normal. Turning the dishwasher on. And here's what it looks like after I've been tidying with help for about 30 minutes. For us, doing these quick cleanups really help things not get out of hand. And it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.